Hello everyone, today I'm going to spend about 3 minutes show you how you can use machine learning without any background. Basically, you don't need to write code. You don't have to understand machine learning or AI to use this system. And you just need to know how to use the browser. Very simple to use. I will show you two screens. One screen is the data file. It will list all the data file we uploaded, and of course you can upload the file. And then with some simple click, it will create a lot of data model and go to the next screen. And this is the data model created by the system, and the system will do the calculation and report the evaluation. Now let me go to the first screen. This is the first one is the Apple stock we downloaded from Yahoo Finance, and let me show you quickly what we have. So basically, this is the data we have. Our goal is that we want to use this data, from open price or close price and volume. We want to find action to take. Should we buy or should I sell? Should we should I keep? Something like that. And once we have this data, we can click auto model, which means ask the system to create a model for us automatically. Once we click, it will go to the next screen. The system will create a lot of model for us without any data yet. You see the data here, the accuracy and tuning are empty. At the same time, we will see some example here that the system is for example, this one started from 109. Is the one system created last time, and the one system created this time is about 425. And once you click the button from last page, system creates this model and started to the calculation. And once we refresh, you will check the status of the system. You see the system has already done the calculation, report the evaluation for these models. And the first row have the best evaluation is 59.9, about 60, and that means that basically 6% of the prediction is correct. And other model are also listed for your reference. And once we have this model, user can do prediction. If we see this column, user can create a new prediction or check existing prediction. And that's all for training. And we will leave prediction for next episode. If you have any question, leave your question or comment in the comment area. That's all for today. Thank you so much.